Today I'd like to speak to you about something that could completely transform safety at your terminal. I have the deepest respect for your HSE teams, a small dedicated group of 20 or so professionals responsible for keeping a massive multi-thousand workforce safe. And they do it with limited tools, legacy systems, scattered processes, and of course, Excel. This is where Quantum and the Qavach step in with a true force multiplier. Designed to mirror the full power of an ERP system, our app takes your 20-person HSE team and instantly expands it to 500, 1,000, or even all 5,000 people that work on the terminal. Because now, every terminal worker becomes an active safety participant equipped with see something, say something, but in real time. And it's fast. Reporting a new incident under 60 seconds. And this is no joke. The GPS allows user autofill. There are drop-down data fields that eliminate manual entry. There are multimedia uploads. There's voice-to-text description. If you need witnesses, the proximity sensors trigger automated requests. Done. And here's the game changer. Engagement. Appreciation stars, tiered levels, gamification, daily safety quizzes, and this turns reporting into a habit, not a chore. The app isn't just for reporting. Equipment, yard, and vessel inspections on the app. Toolbox talks and pre-commencement checklists on the app. This slashes admin work and frees up an enormous amount of more time for safety walks, field management, and that's where it really matters. The entire workforce stays connected. Alerts, notifications, safety bulletins, permit to work approvals, SOPs, risk matrices, all in the palm of the user's hands. And just like that, almost by magic, a true safety culture evolves. And this HSE product is built for you, the Qavach Remote User App. My name is Arjun, and I'm the CEO of Quantum. Let's talk about bringing this transformation to your terminal.